There are so many things which throws us out of balance, which can be just life, the stresses of every day, hormonal fluctuations, especially in women. All these things, how can we handle it? My conclusion to this, after studying years and years of yoga, is meditation. And that's really the only reason why we practice yoga, is to reach a state of meditation. But I can hear you. You probably have tried to meditate before and thought like, I'm too busy, my mind is too full, I just can't stop thinking. Today in this video I'm going to show you a dynamic form of meditation which connects you straight to your heart, so that you much easier get out of your busy life and into almost like a different world. The technique I am referring to, the techniques I'm referring to are from Heartfull meditation, and they have different names. There is mental centering, there is flowering technique, and there is the magic button. And those techniques I will introduce now to you, and hopefully you get some really good benefits from it. So you don't have to say anymore, I don't know how to meditate, because everyone can do that. If you feel the benefit of it, let me know in the comments. So let's begin. First of all, we need to locate our heart center. Where's the heart center? It's a place right on the sternum, but inside. So on the outside you feel it at the sternum. And to actually be in the right position, place your thumbs into your armpits and come straight over. So make sure not to do this, because then it's lower. So it's just straight over like this. And then where your fingertips meet, your middle fingertips meet, this is where the heart center is. Yes, so right middle finger, also very important. Now take a moment to close your eyes. And then gently massage this place. Feel a beautiful light inside you. And then imagine that with that little massage technique, you go inside to find that magic button. Feel your breath. Visualize the light inside you and connect to a beautiful feeling. Remind yourself of something which you found stunning recently or a long time ago. Maybe you were standing on a mountain top, or maybe you watched over the ocean and saw a sunset or a sunrise. Go inside and feel that beautiful feeling which this occasion has given you. Now slowly open your eyes again and release. So this is one of the techniques. I'll show you all of them separately, and then we put them together in one small meditation, short meditation. So that was the beautiful feeling. Now we're going into the mind. The mind is absolutely the biggest gift we have and the worst enemy in some ways, because there's too much going on all the time. We are literally living in a mental world. Think about it. If you sit in front of the computer in your office, you are doing mental work all day long. The body sits, the mind is working. So now for this practice, for the meditation practice, the key is to get out of the mind. You're going to ask, how? So here's the technique called mental centering. Bring your hands together like cups. Yeah, so imagine you're holding liquid in them, and keep the inner fingers together. And then place your hands by the sides of the head. So again, we do it just for practice now. You feel free to keep the eyes open if you need to. And then have that mind there in between your hands. So imagine all the thoughts which are there brumming in your head, and with your hands you're holding on to those thoughts. Inhale here. Now on an exhalation, move your hands towards each other, so they should face each other all the time until they touch in front of the eyes. Inhale there, and on an exhalation, move the mind down into the heart. So going back into those beautiful feelings. I just want to show once again, so you don't close the hands, because I see this a lot, people doing that, so closing. So as if with your head wouldn't be there, you would just do this. So you go straight together. So try it one more time, and then bring your hands towards each other and down into the heart. Yes, that was number 2. The third technique is the flowering technique. And for that, we need to find the heart center again, which we already did. So I'm going to remove my necklace to the side, so I find my heart center. And then place the 5 fingertips of your right hand together. Put them on the sternum. And now imagine again the light inside you. Again, for this, you can keep the eyes open so you know what to do. And then on an inhalation, expand the fingers on your chest with the intention to be inside. So it's like a flower bud opening up. And once it's really open, then remove your hand. Bring the fingertips back together. So that we do on an exhalation. We come back to the heart center. On an inhalation, expand. And then on an exhalation, release. Just as simple, yes? So now close your eyes. Now we bring those 3 techniques together. Start by focusing on your breath. Feel the inhalation and the exhalation. Notice how the breath flows in and out your body. Place your right middle finger to your heart center, exactly on that place where I showed earlier. And if you need, you can always go back and measure with the thumbs in the armpits. See a beautiful light inside you, which has this glow. It's just shining immensely. With your right middle finger, go deep inside. And then circle into the heart center. To get in touch, literally, getting in touch with your heart. Now remember that beautiful feeling, remember that moment when you felt astonishing beauty, where you were just like, whoa, this is incredible. Now the mind is helping, the mind is gifting you with a memory. And then slowly let go of that memory and only focus on the feeling which is left. You don't need anything else but the feeling. Let the thought go while the feeling stays. Astonishing beauty. Even create an inner smile, which reflects the outside. Maintain that feeling. Let your hand rest for a moment, but stay connected. Keep your eyes turned inwardly down to the heart. With your next inhalation, lift your slightly cupped hands by the sides of the head for mental centering. Like I showed earlier, make sure the fingertips point up. The hands are like scoops. Be aware of your brain waves. Those waves, frequencies which hold the thoughts. Inhale here. With your exhalation, slowly move your hands towards each other to calm those brain waves. Once the palms touch, inhale. On an exhalation, move your mind down to your heart center. And let those brain waves start to vibrate like that beautiful feeling in you. Inhaling, lift your hands again. Keep them slightly cupped. In order to control the mind, we need to know that we are thinking. What are you thinking about? Hold that thought. Inhale. Exhaling, center the mind by moving your hands through the brain, taking those thoughts, hold them. Inhale. With your exhalation, move them down. Imagine your hands inside your body. Take your mind into the heart, letting it rest there. We'll do this 2 more times. Inhale, lift your hands. Feel your mind once again. And then exhale. Move that mind, move the thought it holds, and bring it together. Inhale. Exhaling down to your heart center. Go inside, connecting your mind with your heart, connecting your thoughts with your feelings, your intelligence with your wisdom. Last time, lift your hands again, hold the mind. Exhaling, center, gather your thoughts, your senses, draw them in. Inhale, and down with your exhalation to your heart light. Stay connected to the feeling inside, that beautiful feeling. And then let your left hand rest on your thigh. Place the 5 fingertips of your right hand to your heart center. Go inside. See your fingertips sinking into that light, that ball of beautiful light. With your next inhalation, begin to spread the light by spreading your fingers inside. To expand your heart, to open yourself up for more of those beautiful feelings. With an exhalation, remove your hand from the chest. Bring your fingertips back together. Place them onto the heart center. Focus, feel the light in your heart. It's all about feeling. Inhaling, spread your fingers on your chest while seeing them inside your body, opening your heart. Exhale, remove your hands from the chest. One more time. Touch, feel. Inhaling, open your heart. And then remove your hand again. Bring both hands into Namaste in a prayer position with your thumbs resting on your sternum. Inhale here. Exhaling, bow your head. Look down. Commit to create more of that inner smile every day. Inhaling, lift your head. Slowly open your eyes. and release your hands. Take a few moments to just be quiet, lie down, rest, and I see you in the next video.